Here we have 1987 Sea Ray 460 convertible, based on the very popular 460 Express Cruiser hull, wide beam, broad shouldered bridge boat. Canvas is updated. Boat's been well maintained on Lake St. Clair for over 20 years. Big open cockpit, slant back, protect everything. We're on board now. Cockpit as large as the back deck on your house. Very popular cockpit controls. Really facilitates turning in at the marina. Entertainment center to starboard. Step aboard the Salon. Big L-shaped portside couch. All your controls to starboard. Distribution panels. Dedicated dinette which converts into sleeping. Step down towards the galley. Actual cooktop. Refrigeration. Pantry type storage to port. Mid stateroom. True double-sized berth. Plenty of headroom. En-suite head with tub shower. Forward stateroom with bunks. Sleep 3 comfortably forward. En-suite head. Plenty of room for a family. Plenty of room for entertaining. The bridge, side by side, captain and co-captain chairs. Well laid out helm. Seating forward of the helm. Plenty of room for everybody. Available for showings right here at Belmere Harbor. Please call for a showing. Thank you.